Hello friends, welcome back. Today I am going to discuss about what is the big obstacle when you started to learning new things and how you can overcome it. Friends, 6 days ago when I thought I will learn language, English language perfectly, I will master to it. What does happen to me? See, from last 6 days I am continuously regularly uploading the videos and you are watching to me in which type of quality of videos I am uploading. But you know that for this 1 to 2 minutes video, I am practicing for 1 to 2 hours. But still, I can not improve myself. But I am keep trying. But what is happening? When I am practicing at home normally, my English is very good. Or you can say my pronunciation is also good. But when I came in the front of camera, or when I came in front of any person, or when I try to speak, at that time I feel hesitation. So I thought that why all this thing happens. If I can speak English normally at home at when I'm all lonely, so why I cannot speak English with someone else, or when I in front of camera or other things. Why I hesitated at that time, or when I came to go to for the interview. So today I try to find all these things. So for that I normally I will go to the Google and try to find out the answer. So I got an answer. Why all this thing happens? As you know, we are evolved from the monkeys, or you can say apes, and at that time, our ancestors' main target, our body is trained, or our mind is trained for the danger. At that time, they only do work for the survival. Whenever danger come, they will run from that, and all these things. They only know that. So from that time, our mind is developed a two type of brain. One is monkey brain, and another is scientist brain. You can say that monkey brain is like that. That can already fit in our mind, which can be response at the time of danger or at the time of survival. It will automatically react. You don't need to have to do it. And the scientist brain is whatever you are doing consciously, or you can say that whatever you are doing knowingly, like as logic science, you can think that scientist brain is like your mind, which things like logics and learn another thing, whatever skills you are learning in the beginning, that will in starting saving your scientist mind. But when you are trying to do with someone else, at that time you got hesitant due to your monkey mind, because he don't know what is the logic, and he feel consciousness at that time, and at that time your body goes on that state. But there is the way you can overcome it. As you know, everyone is terrified. Think like a firefighter. When firefighter got trained, yeah, or got training from their team, they also get terrified when first they go into the fire. But second time they got less scared. Third time they also got less scared. And by the time, when how the time is passing, they are got more confident, because they have faced that situation so many times. So friends, there is the only way you can improve your fear or your weakness, whatever you have. There is only one way. You have to do a more to more practice, so you can get a confidence to do it. So friends, I don't know how much improvement I am doing, but you are watching me from last 5 days. If you see any improvement, you can tell me in the comment box. That can give me so much motivation, so I can make a video daily. Right now, from last 5 days, I have not skipped any one day. And I will let me tell you about today. I am right now, the time is around 11:55 at night. Let me tell you about my thing, my job. My job is about from morning 10:30 to evening, or you can say night 8 p.m. After my job, I came home, got fresh, and have my meals. After that, I will watch some movies or spend time with my family. And then when I got time, I will make a videos. And today I got tired so much, and from last 1 to 1.5 hour, I I want a deep sleep, because my eyes is, as you see, how much my eyes looks tired due to the work pressure. But due to the commitment for daily uploading videos, I didn't sleep. Now your mind has a question: Why don't you record a videos 1.5 hour ago? What are you doing at that time? But friends, the reason is that because at that time there is so much noise around me, and due to the noise, the voice quality got, as you know, I didn't do I don't know editing, how to do edit. So already my voice is not so good, and if there is so much noise behind the video, you all got distracted. That's why I record at the time when there is so much silence near me. That is why I always prefer record my videos at a night when everyone got sleep. Not everyone not got sleep, but yeah, there is a benefit in the night that so much voice of vehicles, horns, and so more people are got sleep. Around, you can say that 90% of people got sleep at the night around after 11 p.m. So I prefer to record videos after 11:30. That can increase my voice quality. And my friends, if you like to watch my videos, or if you want that I can making all these videos continuously, please like the videos and follow my page. And friends, if you want any topic, please write me in a comment. I will try to make a video on that topic. And let me know, tell you first, I'm not a professional, I am just learning, but I will try to make as I will try to do a best of myself, because I'm here to do that. Thank you friends for watching me.